And the rest, it's a settlement that we are talking about today.
Yes.
But in that settlement as well, we are following it with our guarantee of our employment for 10 years. Hayi ke mabengafuna basinike konke. Uhlangene nani? Ne-interest. Nangithola ma comrade. Asingabayeki ma comrade. Abelungu is time whereby they must understand ukuthi ayikho into yamahala. Ayikho into yamahala. Angeke sibe intimidated until ingane zethu igcine zingenalo. Yabona umthetho ukhona eSouth Africa bangani bami. Sizoyilwa le yenu soze sifike kuthiwa yini a-constitutional court. U-interpret into eyodwa nje sobe si-interpret into eyodwa nje. Uthini usection 197? Amen. As-interpret into eningi ukuthi nisenzeni ngama-warning, nasenzani ngama-final warning, nasenzani ngama-back pay nani. Sikhuluma nje ngo-197 ake nisi-interpreteleni. Uthini u-197? Uthi sikuhambisa with no change. Yeah? So now who change our contract of employment? Because I can say sign it after that. So now in the absence of the new contract, the old contract exists. Again, in the absence of the new contract, the old contract exists. So that's why we are here today. We are saying you owe us money. When you prove to the court that you don't owe us money, and the MCC are not out of the hook, they must also come and testify. Why? When one nigga abasebenzi, izinto zashithi it was part of the agreement. If yes, why we didn't tell the employers? So also someone should pay us. Namjot, even imali yethu we need to go to ama union now too. Now siwafake enkantolo. Siwatshele ukuthi nani ke bangani bami, because lento ye interest yabasebenzi esasimkhokhelela yona you didn't fulfill. Sinikezeni imali yethu ngoba you didn't respect it. You didn't represent us. Uma nithi nasi representa, sinikezeni imhlangano ama-minutes sikhuluma nani ngama issues ani ukuthi sehliselwe imali mase sikwitarisi. Sinikezeni those issues, those minutes. If nina beninemhlangano notarisa nodwa, you were not representing us, but you caused harm to the employees. So now you have also to be penalized for that. Whoever for isikhathi la for the corner, bonke abantu abasilemazi, they must pay us. Bonke abantu abasilemazi, even i-AMCU must pay us. And nakhona sobatshela ukuthi nina ke i-AMCU sifuna 100,000 each. Nisidayisile, nasidayisela belungu, and we live under the bad condition emsebenzini. Sishawa ngama-rubber bullets because of your decisions. Yabo? So now it's time for you guys to pay. Hayi bafowethu lalelani, asijahile la, sizohamba nabo wonke umuntu somfakela icase yakhe. AbakaNUMS sobafakele yakhe. Nani-come and account. Namaphoyisa azowafakela ndubula bani enzeni nanseni. Bafowethu ngifuna ukunitshena, if we are not using the law, yazi sebesijwayele kabi abantu bakithi abamnyama nama-companies azi ukuthi thina into esithandayo itoyi. Sihlale siyamasha simashela inkampani, sihlala sizophikhetha okungekho emthethweni, at least namhlanje ku-right. But asibathathi sibayise la kufanele bayo-answerisha khona. So now ke ileyo nto bafowethu kophela imali sidila nje noTharisa ngoba sifuna kube khona oyedwa happy. Sithi uyabona ke la uTharisa simfaka kubakapi sidila nomqashi sidila nama-unions sidila namaphoyisa ukuthi kukwenzeka kanjani ukuthi ufika and this is a private property usidubula kanjani kwi-private property singekho kwi-public property usidubula kanjani sikwi-private ngoba this is a private and only the Tharisa securities who were supposed to shoot us not the police. Why police? Why they were involved? Besingekho kwi-public road, bese we-private, and the private should be guarded by a security akhona. Uma ngabe engekho supposed to get the private security to come and assist or beef up the staff. Why them? Why them? Lalela. I had to believe this after we came. They've changed the parking area. They changed the parking area because they know now that of already ama camera ethu aseyikhave yonke into ebiyenzeka. Sakhava ngisho ama-ambulance abezosilanda sesilimele ngaze nginayo ngisho sebephakathi abalele befakiwe ne-number plate sinayo yokuthi ubani owayishayela lowo ambulance akafikanga yini ngalolo suku ukhombisa ukuthi guys we must protect ourselves in all costs. Yabo? Yes. I can't be a public while I'm employed by Tharisa. Angikwazi ukuye eChappies ngiyomasha khona kukhona la ngisebenzela khona. Ngifuna imali la kuthiwa ngihambe ngiyoma egqumeni. Kanjani? So bafethu ngifuna ukusho ukuthi istruggle sethu namhlanje solalela ke bahambile ke bayele eLokhuzeni. Court lapha ecourt ma comrade basakodila nama issues ethu lithi nyangezo right mabeqeda sifuna ababuye bazosifica la angifuni into yangelinye ilanga angifuni into yamafoni hayi na iphone ithi enesambe kahle ecourt they must come here bazositshela ukuthi kuthiweni ecourt ngoba sifuna imali yethu into esifuna yini imali and asizwe ukuthi ecourt ke kuhanjwe kwathiwani lonto nje sifuna uma comrade kuphela namhlanje sihlalela i-decision of the court sizwe ukuthi bathi siyaqhubeka uma singaqhubeki ingxoxo zithi siyithola nini imali so kubalekile ke lokho ma comrade as-compromise with that angeke ngisuke le eNatal mina ngubishop angizweni ibandla lami libhizi lilungiselela ama-East mina ngila ngizokwenzani la ngizokwenza into engekho futhi no ma comrade ngeke kube kanjalo namhlanje kufanele silale sazile ukuthi kwenzakalani kufanele silale sazile ukuthi kwenzakalani ukuze singabi nento ethi tomorrow bayazi vele ukuthi bazosibeka la sigcinwe la sinesigcine singenayo imali yokuzala thina kukhona ukuthi sila ngoba sine-purpose yokuba so sifuna ukwazi kwi-court ukuthi ithini after that siyamuva bafethu siyamuva mabebuya nje sizobatshela sonke officially sicela basifakele icala likaNums no-AMCU they betrayed the struggle of the working class abasitshene lapho ukuthi babehleli nobani ngesikhathi sekushintshwa ini ama-conditions of employment babehleli babe-mandatwe ubani ngoba ngaleso sikhathi thile sasikhokhela bona who mandated them ukuthi basifake kule nyakanyaka esikuyo njengamanje nabo they must prove their part ngizwile kuthiwa bane-interest sebefonele la bafonele ngaphakathi ukuthi ba-ready ukuthi bahambe bakwenzani bayo-testify ngizwile ukuthi bathi ba-ready kuyothi ubona beneqolo nje bathi laba ba-ready ukuthi bayo-testify abasebenzi kade bebafakela imali. Kusho ukuthi kulamacala lawa sinamanye ama-enemies abekhokhelwa yithi, sinamanye ama-enemies abekhokhelwa yithi athi aredi ukuyoconfirma i-collective agreement yase-MCC nani neDarisa, not coming to us ngoba nakhona lapho babehlalele thina, but not us. Ubaba ready kodwa ukuyotestify.